There's 10-star in front. There's no standard. Some units over here. Montevideo Towers is also this caravan one. I'm not gonna go. There's this caravan. It's a 6-bladed one. That's nice. York Stellars. I'm assuming all of these Stellars are from the same year. It looks like some of them are disconnected. Huh, that's weird. Right here are some train Odysseys. Whatever this thing is, I don't know what it is. There's another Odyssey here. Also a train. Yeah, it is from 2019. Unless maybe the other one's from 2019. And there are 2 more Stellars. Something's going on back there. I don't know what that is. Here are 2 Comfort Maker units. This one's running. Or actually, heat mode's running. They're both Comfort Makers. And here's 3 Mitsubishi units. Those 2 are also trained. None of them are running for the cold out. There's an EMI. And it's refrigerator behind.
Third one over there?
What are you talking about?
Oh.
Alright, here's a Goodman.
It's a 10 alley.
Mitsubishi. This one's running. I don't know what this thing is. Maybe some kind of computer support in it. I don't know. I do not know what brand this is. The York.